Channel. Oh my god, I thought that was something else. Oh my god, I got so scared. The wind. You hear me? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally going to be trying the cheesy jalapeno Cheetos Mac and Cheese. Ooh, we've been waiting all like month for this. Okay, I had this for like a couple weeks now. Probably like the day after I filmed the Cheeto video, the flaming hot one. I got these at the store. I just been procrastinating to try these because I don't know, I just was procrastinating. But I'm kind of in the mood to try some. Well, no, I'm kind of in the mood to just eat some mac and cheese, if I'm being honest. So that's why I'm like, hey, these are just sitting around. Why not eat it now?
What the hell we gonna do now?
So yeah, that is what I am doing today. Also, in honor of, this yellow and green thing, I put this on. Look at it. Ooh, ooh, I'm a model. I'm sorry, I have like photo shoots in my head. So yeah. So let's get started with making this. Okay, I forgot the steps. Okay, remove the lid. Ooh. For some reason, I expect this to turn green. I don't know why. It's just a lot of green on this container, so I'm just expecting green colors. Okay, so I removed the lid and the seasoning pouch. Why is it white stuff all in there? Hold on. Let me see if I can show you with this part. Do you see that? Oh, wait. I don't know if you saw that when I like flicked it, but yeah. It's kind of like in here. I don't know if you can see it. See, you can see it right there. Oh, look at that. What's that, honey? Okay. Okay, so then we have to add the water to the fill line. Okay, wait, what? Okay, I'm gonna go get me some water. I got the water. Okay, so we fill this to the fill line. We fill this to the fill line. Let me see. Hold on. Yippee! Okay, it's at the fill line, but I don't want to like drop this crap, so I said crap. I'm sorry. Hold on. Bam, these it is it. Okay. Now we are. What's the next step? Okay. I gotta stir it. What you doing? Okay. So now we are stirring it. Ew. Get in my belly.
Get in my belly!
Yo, why am I look like I'm glistening. Okay, I think I stirred it as good as it'll get. Do I need like to cover this or something? No. Now we're on our way to now we are on our way to put this in a microwave. Yeah, couldn't I just have flipped the camera? Yeah. But I didn't. Alright, it's 3. Oh, look at that. Now it's cooking. We're cooking with grease now, ladies and gentlemen. I followed this workout by Chloe Ting, I believe. And, it was good. I felt like I was like really doing something. It's been a long time since I exercised. And it was pretty clear that it's been a long time since I exercised, because now my legs are killing me. Mainly my right one. I think I pulled my hamstring in that one. So yeah, I would like to do a video though, like me doing a routine, because like, let me tell you, right after that workout, I went in my room and just like laid there. It was like I had just gotten in a fight with somebody and they beat me up, and yeah. Oh, this is the perfect time to do my stuff. Okay, so I want you guys to go back and comment on each of my videos. Not all of them, but here it is. Okay, so for video 1, where I introduced who I am, in the comments, could you please tell me what is some content or stuff you would like to see me do? Whether that's playing games, trying other foods, whatever. Just whatever you want to see me do, or just want to see somebody do in general, put it down in video 1. Video 2, you ain't gotta say nothing, because that was just a short film and me talking about my COVID test. So nothing for that one. For video, okay, I'll continue this because our 3 minutes is up. Woo woo. I should have been prepping this stuff. Yeah, do this because you want to make sure that the sauce is there at the bottom. I really am expecting this sauce packet to be green. I don't know why, but it's done. We still got that puddle of water like last time. Okay. Okay. This is so that's my OJ. Okay. All right. Hopefully I am showing that in a good lighting. All right, oh, okay, I don't even need no scissors. Because I'm strong like that. Ayo. Ooh. This is what the green cheesy jalapeno one looks like. Ooh. It's like orange. Like I said, seriously was expecting this to be green. Okay. Now we stir again. Did it get on my arm? No, it's just water. Oh gosh. I smell it. It smells hot. There's a lot of seasoning on this one thing. But I'm also like, oh, this smells like something I don't like. It smells like fake jalapeno. It smells like jalapeno chips or something. Oh, snappers! Did I break my thing? Okay. Ooh. I can already tell you, I'm not gonna like this. Just by the smell alone, I'm not gonna like this. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all, so the smell of this alone, ooh. Ooh. It's my OJ. I'm gonna need, oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. Hi, quick disclaimer. In this video, you will hear a lot of wind in the background. I'm so sorry I cannot control the wind. Mother Nature is back at it again. Just bear with me and pray for the people that are outside right now and pray for their hats, because no one likes that embarrassing moment when your hat flies away and you are trying to find it and there's people around. So pray for them, pray for anybody outside, and pay no mind to the wind of my video. All right, Ciao. Alright, so in order for me to eat this without, you know, gagging, I am gonna need to clip my nose. Okay, I don't smell anything. Oh gosh, I really don't want to do this. This thing is pitching the crap out of my nose. Did it leave a mark? Oh my god, I got lines on my... Wow. Oh. I'm trying to think. It smells like a certain cheese. I mean, a certain thing. But what? What does it smell like? Y'all, I really don't want to try this. Y'all might think I'm exaggerating, over exaggerating or something, but I really don't want to try this. I'm dreading that I have to try this right now. All right. We have already prolonged the inevitable. It is time we try this. Oh. I don't really want to try this. Oh my gosh. All right. All right. Y'all pray for me. Pray I don't die after trying this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it just don't smell right. It just don't smell right. It just don't smell like something you should be putting in your mouth. Who made this and said, yeah, good decision. Okay, you know what? Let me stop talking about it and let me try it, okay? You would have thought I was trying something off of Fear Factor or something. Okay. Whew. Sorry. I psyched myself out. Alright. Okay. Okay. This is... I'm sorry. I don't want to do it. Okay. Come on. You can do it. Okay. Probably why he never made it. Probably why I never made it until now. I mean, look at it. It's like he has a heaping spoonful. But you see, it never is, like, it didn't land in his mouth yet. So, I mean... Oh, God. Okay. I'm gonna stop wussing out. I'm gonna do it. I got my OJ right here. Maybe I should get a napkin ready. Okay. Oh. Okay. Ugh. That was disgusting. I'm sorry. You know, let me give it a... Oh, gosh. I'm gonna try one noodle. And we're gonna try and swallow it. It's like still like right on the back of my tongue right here. So, definitely wouldn't get this again. That's for one. For starters. Second, the Flamin' Hot one is definitely better. The regular one of these is probably the best, but you know, if I had to rank them from what I've had, you got the Flamin' Hot, and then you got this. The smell, I don't like it. I'm still trying to figure out what it reminds me of, but I still don't like it. It's not as bad, as long as you are doing this, you know, noodle by noodle. I wouldn't say, you know, don't be like him. I forgot, what is his name? I almost called him Tony. I think I'm thinking of Frosted Flakes, but Cheeto Man. Don't do the heaping spoonful like Cheeto Man here, but because that's what I did. Well, I didn't do a heaping, but you know, I took a little more than I should have. But if you do noodle by noodle, you can definitely get it down. It might take longer, and this might get cold, but that's why they have microwaves. They have microwaves just so you can heat it back up. Because, you know, I might take 3 hours just to eat this noodle by noodle. Because that's the only way it's going to get down. Let me see if I can describe what it tastes like. Okay, we're about to be chefs. Okay. Well, you definitely taste the cheese. It does have a hint of spice. You can really feel it in this area. Like once it goes back to the back of your tongue, that's when you feel the spice. I would rate. This wind is aggressive out here, y'all. I mean, if I step out there, first of all, my bucket hat is gonna be in the wind, gone with the wind. And then myself included, I'm gonna just like, you know how on Super Smash Bros. Where if you knock the character off and they like fly all the way back, that's exactly how I'm gonna be. But yeah, yeah. I'd probably give this. I forgot what I gave the Flamin' Hot one. I would probably give this a 3 out of 10. I probably would never try this again, or buy this again. Even if I was a broke college student, I would. I'm walking down the aisle. I don't even see it. Let's not even acknowledge it. We'll acknowledge the Flamin' Hot and the regular one, but this one, I don't know you.
I don't know you!
So yeah, I probably would not buy this again. I will still encourage you guys to try this and then tell me what you thought, and maybe it's just me being picky. But yeah, I can do without this for the rest of my life. If there is, please leave in the comments anything else you think I should try. Fruits, veggies, other microwavable stuff that you gotta cook, as long as it's not seafood, because I don't like seafood. Okay, I never have. I feel like I'm allergic to it, but yeah, that's just not something I am interested in. Skincare products video. Tell me like what skin products you use, and then like if it's working for you, if it didn't work for you, what has and hasn't. You know, leave comments with that. But my Valentine's Day one, please tell me who your celebrity crush is or crush is, because I have an entire list and I would love to know who y'all find attractive and if we are rivals because we got the same crush. it's whatever though. Oh, the one where I was painting and talking about all those docuseries on Netflix. Tell me what your opinion is. If you watched the Cecil Hotel, tell me what you thought. The one with the cats, tell me what you thought. Night Stalker. Oh my god. Night Stalker, anything. Some makeup tutorials, like link it, comment it, say the person's channel who I should, like, you know, try and follow their makeup routine. Because I was serving clown realness in that last video, but that's okay because I had fun. Put that too close to my face. I told y'all that smell is like, will drive you insane. That smell will drive you to drink something. Not alcohol, just something. Something to distract you from that smell. But anyways, thank you for taking the time to check out my channel. Please remember to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified each time I post. I had a lot. It was a little rocky trying to get this thing down. I didn't want it anywhere in my body, but you know, alas, I do this because, you know, I bought it. Well, I didn't buy it. My aunt bought it. But, you know, please remember to tell your friends, family, or anybody who will listen to you to check out my channel and leave a comment and like and subscribe. Because, you know, we're all about making connections. We're all about just, you know, life here. I'll just go with that. So yeah, please have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you guys next week. Ciao. Ciao.